Ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society minta kasngi kala Pynlong ya ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society Haat Bazaar ha tyngkong jong ka State Central Library ha Shillong. Ka kong RV Suchang ka belong ka Chief Secretary jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala play kani ka yaw ya di ya the. Haba kren na kani kasngi ka kong Suchang kalaong baga skill development kalong ka nongrim ka bala ban Pynlong ya ka India ban yeng halaki jong ki kajat.
MSSDS, Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. It is here to, handhold potential entrepreneurs, and they, give skill training. So besides skill training, they also develop a cohesive skill formation, entrepreneurship, and placement framework for entrepreneurs who are here. It's a one-stop access to facilities like capacity building and training, skill development, and entrepreneurship development. And we already have an ecosystem which is called the Prime Hub. So after you get your skill, from MSSDS, then you can go, all potential entrepreneurs can go to the Prime Hub, and that's where you get a hand-holding support. They link you to, banks, they link you to financial institutions, they give you tech support. So, basically, they also have business plans which can be developed, which can be prepared for you. So, so a step from here, from skill, you go to a Prime Hub, where probably you will be given further, assistance.
We have organized this hut in order to promote our local entrepreneurs. There are 40 stalls, as you can see. We have also converged with various departments like the MSRLS, the horticulture, the agriculture, and then we also have departments like the MHHDC, MBDA, and there are various products that you can see, from handicrafts to wine making to the various condiments that is available from the city, soap, hand detergents. And then we also have a lot of food available locally. So we hope that people from Shillong are enjoying this hut, and we are hopeful that we will organize many more huts in the future so that we are able to showcase the workmanship and the produce from the state.